Did you know there's a creature so terrifying that even the gods themselves feared it? Hey there, I'm Henry, and today I'm shifting into something a bit more unsettling to tell you about the Wendigo. Deep in the frozen forests of North America, the Algonquian people whispered warnings about a monster born from the darkest human hunger. Picture this, a towering beast, 15 feet tall, with yellowed fangs, sunken eyes that glow like embers, and skin stretched so tight over its bones that it looks like death itself. But here's the truly horrifying part. The Wendigo wasn't always a monster. It was once human, just like you and me. When winter's grip grew too tight and food ran out, some people made a choice that changed them forever. They ate human flesh, and that single bite cursed them to become something that could never be satisfied. Always hungry, always hunting. The Wendigo represents our deepest fear, losing our humanity when we're pushed to our limits. Sweet dreams tonight, right?